May 27. Little updates on no-go project. No go yet because raining was heavy rain last night, 4 inches, like in about 30 minutes. So what we can see here, ground it's really good, compounded in garage area. Here it was a very good deep hole, ditch, so that's good thing. So it did not stay here, no mud, no big mud I would say. All water was coming down this way, and as you can see this way here it was no compounding yet. That's what you can expect. So I would say like about half a ton dirt was washed away in a lake. I hope not. So it is what it is. Here I did a little project today. As you can see, this deep hole all was filled with water, like almost like about half. As you can see, it's how water was here, and I had to dig out all water with some bucket just to try and make sure it's not staying and not damaging foundation. So here what we can see, those guys who was doing those holes, I guess they didn't really realize we probably need one more in that corner, so because water was standing over there, but that's okay. So I clean up a little bit, water went away, and it is what it is. So we survived, nothing get washed away very bad. That's it. Waiting when it's going dry, and the next project is gonna be plumbing. Have to put plumbing in the ground, and then after plumbing we're going to do slab, concrete slab floor here in this area.